It is time. It's time for the light round. One of the tell you about my go to another course that you're planning sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? Time for the light round. Let's start with Tyler in California. Tyler.
Hey, Big Booyah from California. How you doing, Jim?
I'm doing well. How about you, Tyler? What's up?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Hey, I know we like stocks that are making money and debt-free. So with an expanding margin portfolio and debt-free balance sheet, shares being at lowest valuation since 2022, what do you think of Chewy ahead of earnings?
All right, they are pivoting. They are pivoting in a way that makes me feel that they have got the right numbers. I am excited about the fact that they have gotten religion about making money, too. Let's go to Joe in New Jersey. Joe.
Jim, thanks for taking my call.
Quite welcome.
I have a question on EPD, Enterprise Products Partners.
Okay, they are the foremost natural gas liquids pipeline in the country, and after what I saw today, with Magellan getting a bid from ONEOK, I'm liking Enterprise even more. Let's go to Matt in Illinois. Matt.
Booyah, Jim.
Matt, what's up?
Yeah, I'm interested in how you think Coin will do, given the crackdown by the SEC and how saturated the crypto space has become with, like, scams and memes. Like, I even saw the Cramer coin, whatever that is.
Okay, what's the stock? What's the stock? Oh, Coinbase. Oh, no, I'm not a believer in Coinbase because I don't like companies that pick fights with the SEC. It's just too hard. The SEC plays with unlimited capital, and they're not to be trifled with. Let's go to Bob in Nevada. Bob.
A great big maize and blue University of Michigan beat Ohio 3 years in a row. Booyah.
Well, that's a powerful booyah. It's a very powerful booyah. How can I help?
My question is on a gold play you recently had on your show. Triple Flag Precious Metals.
Oh, I like that company so much. I think it's terrific, and I do like the precious metals. By the way, I like that Newmont deal. There's so much happening in the gold world that I like so much right now. Let's go to Jackie in Michigan. Jackie.
Hi, Jim. This is Jackie. I sold Novartis NBS and bought GlaxoSmithKline GSK. And I just want your opinion.
I think that they're putting it together. I think Dame Emma Walmsley is putting together a very good suite of vaccines that will reflect very well on the company's future earnings power. I'm going to say you can buy GSK. Let's go to Cole in California. Cole.
Hey, Jim, this is his dad, Booyah, Brett. I'm going to turn it over to Cole.
Okay.
Hey, Jim, I'm Cole. I'm 15. What do you think about Amgen?
You know what? It's an inexpensive stock, but it's inexpensive for a reason. It doesn't have the earnings power that I really want. I think the company needs a bit of a shakeup. There are so many other pharmaceutical companies that I like more. Cole, I think it's fantastic that you're calling in, but I'm going to have to send you to Eli Lilly. Let's go to Erica in Pennsylvania, please. Erica.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you, Erica? What's going on?
I'm doing great. I've got a good question for you.
Okay.
All right, so AI is a super hot topic in tech, right?
Yes, it is.
But I think that quantum computing is waiting patiently on deck for its time. So I'm looking at IONQ, among others, as a player in this space to be interested in. They had their earnings call recently, and I'm just curious what you think about this stock.
Well, it's intriguing, but it's losing money. I remember Jensen Huang first telling me, listen, quantum computing is where it will be, but it's not there yet. And this company is losing too much money for me to be able to get behind, but I do like your sentiment. There will come a time, but not yet. Let's go to Mike in Florida. Mike.
Booyah, Ski Daddy.
Yo, what's happening, Mike?
Hey, nothing much. Sorry about your Sixers there, buddy.
That was very tough. Whoa, that was almost too tough there. How can I help? What's going on?
So my question is about a company. It's a nuclear utility that is building and commissioning the first 2 reactors built in the last 3 decades here in the United States. My question and my company is, what are your thoughts on Southern Co?
I can't believe they finally got those plans done. I've got to tell you, I got to hand it to them. SO's fine. I still prefer American Electric Power. I think more of that. By the way, I will tell you that I think more of Con Ed than that because I don't like the construction risk. But they are through with it, and congratulations to them. Let's go to Jerry in Missouri. Jerry.
Hey, Jim.
In the home stretch this afternoon, you discussed that there is a relentless belief that AI is the savior and that whatever is touched by AI goes up. Do you think that Snowflake fits into this group?
No, Snowflake is more kind of a rent the runway of the cloud, and I think they're terrific at it. And I will back Frank Slootman, even though the company's not currently making money. I'll waive my rules and say buy Snowflake. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Cramer has a revised thesis on Amazon. Don't miss his up-to-date take on AI. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.